First of all, I want to thank you everyone for the most viewed video on my channel, which is of that murder mystery case that I have narrated. It got 278 views, the largest number of views from my for my any of my videos. So thank you. So I have thought about giving it another attempt, and today I am going to narrate an other murder mystery. So I have written my points here in order not to skip any part. So once in a while I'll be looking down at the book, so please don't mind that. Now let's get straight into the story, shall we? Okay. So, this story is about twin sisters who are named Tasmia Whitehead and Jasmia Whitehead, who killed their mother, Nikki Whitehead. So, first let's talk about Nikki Whitehead. Nikki Whitehead, she was born in prison, which means her mother was also a criminal. So, Nikki Whitehead, who was born in a prison, later she lived with her grandmother, and she really didn't have any curfew. She came whenever wherever she wants, as what however she pleased. So Nikki Whitehead uh, became pregnant at 17 years and then gave birth to twins who are Tasmia Whitehead and Jasmia Whitehead, who are also called Tas and Jazz. So, Taz and Jazz have had domestic problems with their mother, Nikki Whitehead, for uh, quite several years, for a very long time. So, one day, what happened is Lieutenant Chris Moon got a call. No, Lieutenant Chris Moon found on the crime scene. One of the twin sisters had said that they are victims and that their mother has been killed. So, at the crime scene, if we cut to the crime scene, the Lieutenant Chris Moon said it was the bloodiest scene I think I have ever been to. The crime scene was full of blood everywhere, and it was smelling like blood, copper, iron, and all. That's what the Lieutenant Chris said. So, to the day when the incident happened, both the twin sisters, they share everything, the clothes, they are identical and everything. So on the day of incident, both the twin sisters have arrived to their school 2 hours late. This was found on the school's CCTV footage. So when questioned about it, they said that they missed the bus and they had to walk, and that's why they were late. And when they were interrogating the twins, they formed a story, and they both pretty much gave the same answers to the police. So what the police have done was they suspected the twin sisters and they have separated them. They interrogated them both separately, one on one. When the one of the twin sisters said, "Why are you separating us?" and to which the police officer said, "See, I know this is mean, but this is how it should be done. So we are going to interrogate you both one on one." And when interrogated one on one, they both noticed that they were under the watch of CCTV footage. So they both tried their best to form a similar story, but however, the story they both gave was a quite little different. So the police let them go, but they were secretly spying on these both sisters, Tas and Jazz. They have spying on them for 4 complete months. So after 4 months, they had found some evidence or some clue, and they have arrested them both. And they put the recorder in the car, in the police car, and they arrested both the twin sisters. They have left them in the car, locked them up in the car, and they went away. Expecting that they would discuss something in both and confess something. So the twin sisters, they had talked about how the police officers didn't care about them. They arrested them and went to have coffee, eat something, and just enjoy. Also, they have said one of the girls, I think it's Jasmia, she said to her boyfriend in text that she hates her mother and wish she was dead. And now that she's dead, she asked it for many times that she prayed many times that she would be dead, but she never was actually dead. But this time she was. So, considering all this, they have arrested them finally after 4 months, and the twins finally confessed their crime. So what happened was, one day they were getting late to the school, and that one day was when the incident actually happened. They woke up late and they were getting late to the school. So the mom scolded them and they got into a fight. So the mom was making something on the stove with a pot, and she threatened to hit them with the pot. So the girls got frightened, and they tried to fight with her. That's when Jazz got scared and she took a red vase and hit it on her mother's head. And to which the mother then bit, yeah, to which the mother then bit Jazz's chest, leaning like this. This was Jazz. The mother bit her in the chest, leaning like this, when Taz took a knife and stabbed her mother from the back, which after that the mother couldn't digest, and she tried to choke Jazz, to which Jazz in return choked her mother with a ribbon, which is from a medal that she had won. And after that they both stabbed her several times, trying to kill her, but she was still alive. So they dragged her to the bathtub, they put her in the bathtub, and they drowned her a couple of times till she was dead by herself. So they didn't actually kill her by stabbing, but they killed her by drowning her. And after that they did not understand what they were doing and why they were doing it. They felt sorry. They that twin sisters, they had confessed that they were doing out of anger and confusion and fear, and it was just the heat of the moment, and they never meant any of this to happen. So they sat for a couple of hours, then they decided it would be best if they just leave to school, and when they come back the police would have already found their mother dead, and they would be in a crime scene and their mother would not be there. But surprisingly, the mother was still there. No one hadn't noticed, so they had to go to police themselves to, inform. So that's when they both confessed to their crimes, and that's when everyone got to know the truth. And there is also this thing that they didn't do it totally because they hate their mother. They said they don't hate their mother, it was just anger and they regret what they have done. But also, when she was dragged to the bathtub and when they were trying to drown her, they said that the mother was constantly saying to them that she hates her daughters. She was repeatedly saying, I hate you, and you are going to jail, you are going to jail, you are going to pay for this, etc., etc. And after all this, on January 14th, Tasmaya pleaded guilty for manslaughter and she was sentenced to 30 years in jail. And after a month, on February 2014, uh, Jasmia also pleaded guilty for the same charges and she was sentenced to prison in 30 years. So, this is the story of murder of Nikki Whitehead, and I will be adding some. So this is a disclaimer. I will be adding the photos, the pictures of the crime scene and the twins and all of this incident and the story after this. So anyone who is sensitive, you please stop the video right here. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment down below how this was, and if I should do more stories, if I should narrate more stories or not. And make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. The third wave is here, so please stay at home. Try to at least try to stay at home. Wear your mask, use sanitizers, follow social distancing, stay safe, and I will see you. Bye.